Another thing, so this black kind of handle, some of the places also black, kind of black, black, black handle, and the silver handle. The black, the knob, yeah, definitely look nicer, but they are much more expensive. Trying to match all the color in black. It's about $65 a combo set of the doorknob. So I found it under for $50, the satin silver, and I think it comes out much more cheaper. Just replace the whole entire knob with silver color instead of a black. Black, I don't know, for whatever reason, the black doorknobs are much more expensive. So that's everything's going to be matching color, so it doesn't look a rinky-dinky, doorknob. So just want to let you know, it is a few $100 just a part, but it is actually much more expensive if I try to match it in a black and do everything in black. So okay, so that's another explanation. Trying to make